started in 1986 as a single project real estate company. Brigade Towers helped us to launch two subsequently, and the success of those two projects made it four and then eight, like that. In 1998, we converted ourselves into a private limited company, and then in 2008, we became a publicly listed company when the real growth started post 2008.
Adding life to your big ambitions. Ultratech, India's #1 cement.
Currently, we have completed nearly 300 buildings in Bangalore, Mysore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kochi, and going strong, I would say. We have totally completed about 71 million square feet plus. And the future, I think, remains bright for the sector and for Brigade. That in the last 35 years of our business, we have seen four recessions or crises in the real estate sector. And now, of course, everybody knows the impact of pandemic on the sector. But during this period, we can proudly say Brigade has overcome all the challenges, and the company is poised to for further growth and in a position to face the new challenges. See, we have always done our business on the core values of the company, what we call it as QC first. It's an acronym for quality and customer centricity. We will continue to plan to do business with our core values in mind. Most real estate developers start with residential projects, but in our case, for the first 7 years, we undertook only commercial projects, office buildings on strata sale. Only subsequently, it became a natural extension. Residential business became a natural extension, and that is where the bulk of the growth is. Later on, we even expanded to hospitality and retail sectors. The two biggest challenges I faced was in small projects. You will be surprised. One is in the Hyderabad, the Brigade at number 7 in the Banjara Hills, and the Holiday Inn Hotel Chennai. These both, though they are not large projects, they pose a lot of constructional challenges and local issues, etc. But I think we overcame successfully. I can be proud and say that we started the concept of mixed-use development in Bangalore, and probably for that matter in South India, as early as 2002 with the launch of Brigade Millennium in Bangalore South. But I'm also very proud to say the project Brigade Gateway in Malleshwaram, Bangalore, is the most challenging in one way, as it is the most integrated development in the country, having offices, World Trade Center, 1,260 residences, Bangalore's best shopping mall, Orion, and Sheraton Grand 5-star hotel, an American promoted hospital, Columbia Asia, and our own not-for-profit school, Brigade Schools, and also a social club. Apart from a man-made water body and a lot of greenery in the campus. My warm congratulations to the entire team at the Construction World for celebrating or reaching the milestone of 25 years in business.